The Samsung Galaxy S23 offers high-quality Bluetooth connectivity. However, some users encounter stuttering audio when paired with wireless speakers, headphones, or car systems. The choppy sound occurs while streaming music or videos over Bluetooth. There are several ways to troubleshoot and fix Bluetooth stuttering to restore smooth, uninterrupted audio on your Galaxy S23. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Check proximity to paired device. Bluetooth range is up to 30 feet without obstructions. Being too far from your connected Bluetooth device can cause connection instability, which leads to choppy audio. Make sure your Galaxy S23 is within range of the Bluetooth speaker or headphones you have paired. Keep your phone in the same room and within several feet for optimal performance. Stuttering is likely if the devices are far apart or separated by walls. Also check that the paired device is not experiencing low battery levels, as low power can affect connectivity. Restart your phone and Bluetooth device. As simple as it sounds, restarting your Galaxy S23 and the connected Bluetooth accessory can help. This resets connections and often resolves intermittent issues like stuttering. To restart your Galaxy S23, hold down the power button and the volume down key until the power options show. Select Restart and confirm you want to reboot. While your phone is rebooting, restart your Bluetooth device as well. In most cases, you just need to hold down the power button to power it down, and then hold it down again to power it up after a few seconds. Forget device and repair. If a paired Bluetooth device starts having persistent issues, try forgetting the device then repairing from scratch. To do that, open Settings and select Connections. On the next screen, tap Bluetooth. Tap the settings icon next to the problematic device, and then select Unpair to remove it from your paired devices. After that, put the device in pairing mode and select it again to repair it with your phone. After repairing, check if the problem is resolved. This wipes previous unstable connections causing problems. Most of the time, this is enough to fix any Bluetooth-related issues with your Galaxy S23. We hope this guide can be helpful. Thanks for watching.